I'm about to show you the 5 rarest jewels on Earth, and by the end, you'll know exactly why these tiny crystals can be worth more than a mansion. Number 5. Grandidiorite. First discovered in Madagascar, this teal-to-sea green gem looks like ocean water trapped in stone. It's so scarce that clean, faceable pieces are almost never bigger than a couple carats. You'll spot it by its blue-green pleochroism. Turn it, and the color subtly shifts. If you're seeing a deep blue-green, that's the premium shade. Prices can push into the tens of thousands per carat for high clarity. Why so rare? It forms under extreme conditions in metamorphic rocks, and most crystals are cloudy or fractured. Finding one clear enough to cut is like finding a perfect raindrop in a storm. Number 4. Musgravite. Named after Australia's Musgrave Ranges, this gem ranges from smoky gray to violet. For years, only a handful of verified stones existed. Even today, lab certification is essential because it can look a lot like taphite. The absolute best stones? Think $35,000 to $80,000 per carat, if you can even locate one. Fun twist. Under strong light, some show a subtle silky sheen from tiny inclusions, like a whisper inside the crystal. Number 3. Painite. Once crowned the rarest gemstone on Earth, painite was known from just 2 crystals when it was identified in Myanmar in the 1950s. It's a deep, reddish-brown to brick-red borate that often shows orange flashes. More deposits have been found, but clean, faceable gems remain unicorns. Top stones can command well over $50,000 per carat. If you're looking at a rusty red hexagonal crystal with high density, you're in painite territory. Number 2. Red beryl. Also called bixbyte, this is emerald's crimson cousin, colored by manganese instead of chromium. Almost all gem-quality rough comes from Utah's Wah-Wah Mountains. Most stones are under half a carat. A clean 1 carat is headline news. Expect $10,000 to $50,000 plus per carat depending on color and clarity. Its signature? A pure raspberry to vivid red in a tiny, razor-sharp crystal, nature's overachiever. Number 1. Red diamond. The rarest of the rare. True, natural red diamonds don't get their color from trace elements. They get it from a distortion in the crystal lattice that bends light differently. Only a handful exist, often under 1 carat. The most famous is the Musiev red at 511 carats. Think stop sign red, but alive. Price? We're talking 7 figures per carat. Yes, per carat. Quick real-world guide if you're hunting visuals. Grandidiorite, translucent to transparent blue-green, Madagascar origin noted. Musgravite, gray-violet to smoky, often certified due to lookalikes. Painite, hexagonal reddish-brown with orange flashes, Myanmar. Red beryl, tiny vivid raspberry crystals from Utah, sharp facets when cut. Red diamond, pure red saturation, often small, with famous named stones. Here's the big takeaway. Rarity is about more than color. It's geology, chemistry, and a perfect run of luck. The right elements, the right pressure and temperature, and millions of years without a fracture. So next time you see a glittering stone, remember, the rarest jewels are tiny time capsules of Earth's most unlikely moments. Which one surprised you most? I'm torn between the science of red diamonds and the mystery of musgravite. Drop your pick in the comments. And if you want a deep dive on how crystal defects create color, I've got a wild explainer coming up. Stay curious.